For this exercise, we'll be continuing to build stages in the aggregation pipeline from the last exercise. On the Pipeline tab of the Aggregation Editor, ensure that the Stage 3 row is selected. Click the small down arrow to the right of the Add button and click Add New Stage after selected stage. This will add a fourth stage to the Aggregation Editor. We'll use this stage to change the order of fields in the pipeline using the replaceRoot operator, which you should select from the Filter drop-down menu. The Aggregation Editor will add an expression that starts with the new root operator, followed by a placeholder. We'll be adding our expression after the new root operator enclosed in curly braces. In the Editor window, delete the placeholder and type the following expression after the new root operator and its trailing colon. The new code includes two elements, one for the city field and one for the total field. This assigns the value of each field to the original field, with the name preceded by the $ and enclosed in quotes, as is standard when referencing fields in aggregation expressions. This also ensures that the city field appears first, followed by the total field. If we click Execute in the Stage Output pane to execute the pipeline up to and including this fourth stage, we can verify that the city field is listed first, followed by the total field. Now go to the Query Code tab to verify that the code now includes the replaceRoot operator and its expression. While we're at it, let's also verify that the Pipeline tab now includes the Stage 4 row with the replaceRoot operator and its associated expression. We'll be adding one final stage to this aggregation pipeline, so leave the Aggregation Editor open with the pipeline in place for the next exercise.